Today you're going to play a game called Fill It In R Blends. To get started, you will need this game board and a dry erase marker. All right, are you ready to play? You are going to use some of these R blends to match the picture. You're going to write them down. So let's go over them together. We have bruh, truh, purr, dur, gur, cur. All right, let's see if we can do the first one together. This is a crocodile. What two letters are at the beginning of crocodile? Which one is it? Crocodile. Did you say CR? Good job. You're going to write CR on the lines with your dry erase marker. Crocodile. Next we have drum. Which two letters say drum? And we're going to keep going. Bridge. Pretzel. Drink. Grill. Grandma. Prize. The arrow is pointing inside the trunk. Crab. Tree. Bread.